alaikum. I am Nurmul Mumtaz, Assistant Teacher English, Aropara Girls High School, Kushtia. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Educational institutions are closed because of COVID-19. Online classes has been arranged at the initiative of our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Education Minister Dipu Modi. Hopefully, online classes helps you to continue your studies properly. So students, take your textbook, notebook and pen and start studying. Today I take class of class 8 and subject is English first paper and unit 1 lesson 2, and the topic we discussed about Nokshikatha. Okay students, open your book at the page 3. Here we know many things about Nokshikatha. At first, I write some new vocabs of the passage to understand the passage clearly. So students, let's writing. The first one is okay students, the first one is quick. It's a noun. It means a heavy and comfortable cover made of cotton and cloth. Write your notebook properly. Number 2, artistic. The next one is artistic. It is adjective. It is adjective and it means skillfully and attractively made. So the next one is commercially. Commercially, it is adverb and it means for the purpose of business. Number 4, traditionally. Traditionally is a adjective and its mean exists in or as part of tradition. The next one is demand. The next one is demand. It is noun and it means a need for something. And the last one is pattern. And the last one is pattern. It is noun. It means a particular way in which something is done. Okay, students. Now I read the text and you listen it attentively. Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidery quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word naksha, which means artistic pattern. It is kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nakshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nakshikathar Mart was published in 1929. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old or new cloths and thread are used to make these quilts. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in many extensive handicrafts in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of its colorful patterns and design embroidered on them. Okay, students, now read the passage or text silently and I give you some questions and you answer it rightly. Okay, students? At first I give you choose the best answer from the alternatives. Okay, students, the option is English, Bengali, Hindi and Burmese. Number 2, nowadays Nokshikatha is produced in which part? Okay. The next question is nowadays Nokshikatha is produced. Number 1, traditionally or nationally or commercially or normally. Number 3, what does the word pattern mean? What does the word pattern mean? And the option is step by step, number 2, series, number 3, artistic design, and number 4, handmade work. The next question is number 4. Where has the art been practiced? And the option is number 1, large cities, number 2, urban area, number 3, rural area, number 4, rich family. Number 5 number question is Nokshikatha Mart is written by option 1, Qazi Nazrul Islam, option 2, Farooq Ahmed, number 3, Okay, students. I hope you finished your writing, and the answer is number 1. The word Nakshikata comes from a Bengali word. Number 2. Nowadays, Nakshikata is produced commercially. Platter means artistic design. The art has been practiced in rural areas. Nakshikata Mart is written by Joshimuddin. Okay, students. Now I give you some questions and you answer it. Write it. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is Nakshikata? Number 2. Which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Number 3. When does Nakshikata become famous? Number 4. Why are the quilts now in great demand? Okay, students. The answer of first question, what is Nakshikata? Nakshikata, Naksha is a kind of popular embroidery quilt. Number 2, which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Okay, the answer is Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura and Jashore are most famous for Nakshikata. Number 3, when does Nakshikata become famous? The name Nakshikata became famous after the poet Joshimuddin's poem Nakshikata Mart was published in 1929. Achha, last question. Why are the quilts now in great demand? The quilts are now in great demand for its colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Students, write your homework. Okay, thank you students. That's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you again. Allah Hafiz.